This is how I caught a 1 to 23 on NQ today. And no, I did not make 23% on this trade. On trades like this that are usually higher RR, I risk a lot less than usual. Also, I'm planning on stopping the high time frame stuff, so like the weekly bias and all of that, just because it doesn't provide that much insight, because the weekly bias does change as the week goes on, and I don't trade every single day of the week. So, but I might make YouTube videos, longer YouTube videos, like 3-4 minutes, because I want to keep the short form content kind of short. But anyway, let's carry on with the trades. So starting off on the 1 hour time frame, we have the CRT candle. I marked on the CRT low and the CRT high. Next, we have a 15-minute order block. I've also marked on these London lows and these London highs. You can kind of see I'm marked on LDN. Next, on a 5-minute, there is this inverse fair value gap right here. You can see price just about tapped into it after sweeping London highs, causing an SMT with ES. There's also some AMD here, which is a lot more clear on the 1 minute. So you can see in this box, accumulation, and then we manipulate above these London highs, so above time-based liquidity, whilst causing an SMT. So after the accumulation, after the manipulation, I'm expecting distribution to the opposite side. We manipulate it up, so I'm expecting a distribution down, which is why I shorted. Next, on the 1 minute, we also have this inverse fair value gap created here. Why didn't I enter here? I don't actually know. But since I missed that entry, I waited a bit more. We tapped into the imbalance again, and I just shorted after I suspected we were going to start moving down, because you can see we have a lot of wicks to the upside here, meaning bullish pressure is, lacking. So, price is probably going to move lower. I put my stops to this high after we tapped into this imbalance, because I know we've already filled it here. We've tapped into it again. It's probably not going to get touched again. So yeah, on one of my accounts, I was going to take partials at the CRT low, but you can see price moved through it like it was nothing. So I didn't. And instead, I took partials at this low. On this account, I didn't, because I was trading with such a small lot size. And yeah, I just rode it down all the way to final TP, which was these London lows. Now, although I named a lot of confluences, you don't need all of these confluences to catch a trade like this. The main confluences in this trade was the higher time frame BDRA, an SMT, and a sweep of this time-based liquidity. So this is literally my A+ setup. If I didn't have this 5-minute inverse fair value gap, if I didn't have these CRT lows and CRT highs, then I probably still would have taken the trade.